So already six birds from the national race, and another two there. Another two, Dave. Another two, like a bullet. Yep. Look. So another two mealies. Direct offsprings of Billy, the producer cock of Mr. Brough. And so it's already 8 birds out of 19 from a headwind race this morning.
Extreme distancing na! Check it out! Check it out!
Oh wow.
So, yeah, that's it.
So we're going to check the first 10 birds arrived from the national race. Which one is first?
The red was first, Theo's.
Which one? The red checker. So that's the first dropper.
Yeah, all the good ones home.
Hands are better.
That's my favourite, he just flew down.
How's the flight? That's 7 hours plus, eh?
Yeah, what time was
So
it?
another.
See, that last one was
343 is the last one.
7 3/4
Yeah.
at 219.
219.
That's one I've sort of. I'm not keeping them all, I'm going to get rid of 219.
Who is 219 there? The blue bar, the last one.
No, 219 is a blue. Amelie.
Amelie.
Probably the one sitting up there.
Oh yeah. The top pigeons of Mr. Brough. And hoping he'll be champion again.
See, only one cock amongst that lot. And I'm going to bring
Out
up
of
him.
only one cock and all our hens that already clocked from the 10 birds.
First year, one cock.
Yeah. So it means hens the best.
For me they are, you know, but
Yeah.
Tusky does all right with cocks.
Mm-hmm.
He's got some line cocks.
Oh yeah. They have a good flight.
They don't seem to be very hungry anyway.
7 hours.
I don't like the way they do it, you know. I bet they never.
Why?
They feed them too late.
Oh yeah.
They feed them too late.
Too late.
This is
So still not hungry. Hey?
not really.
You see the first one? The second one.
She was my third one in the
Third one.
fraternity.
So that bird is a third maturity last 2 weeks ago. So they arrived 8 birds together. He's one of them. So he's also a champion.
Yeah, they all cocks.
Oh, she is not he, it's she. That's a hen.
That's a hen, yeah.
So that's the first one.
Oh,
That's the first dropper.
that's Theo's bird.
A nice red checker hen.
It came fifth in the fraternity.
Oh, so from the 8 birds.
That's the fifth one of the 8, yeah.
Oh, so it's also the member of the champion.
This one was 38.
Yep. 3rd of the 8th last 2 weeks ago, and then 5th of the 8th.
This one here was 2nd of the 8th.
2nd of the 8th. So these are all winners. They are equal first.
Yeah, they're all equal first.
Yeah, they're all equal first last Futurity Young Bird Championship.
Oh, that's one of the O's 222. That's
Really, really good.
this one here
birds.
was. I'm not sure. It was. I think it might have been 6th of the 8th.
Oh yeah. Another equal first.
And it was the 2nd one today.
What a bird. They're fast birds. Well prepared from Mr. Dave, bro.
This is the cock. He was. I think he was 7 of the 8th. The only cock.
The only cock. Is he offspring of Billy?
He's offspring of a son of Billy.
Son of Billy.
And he's a brother of this one.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Beautiful birds.
And the other one. This one 8. This was the 8th.
So
one of the 8th.
we're going to take another photo
That's
of the first.
8th of the 8th.
So another champion bird. That's member of the 8th bird from the.
So there's only one of the 8 not home.
Mm-hmm. Who's the first last week? In the Futurity, the first one. 196? The person who entered the clock. The
Oh, no, yeah, the first one is it. Where is she? She's here. I saw her. I'm sure she's here. Oh, she's down here somewhere.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah, this is the first one.
Okay.
Maturity.
That's a young bird Futurity champion. This bird. Hello.
She's the sister of the one I gave you.
Oh yeah. So it's direct offspring of Billy.
Yeah, yeah. No more coming.
These birds are all champions. Mr. Dave, bro.
I sent one. There was one that never got home on the day in a maturity. So you're going.
Look at this hen, guys. They're still not tired. They still want to fight.
Yeah, they are.
Look.
Now, the brother who's not home yet,
Look.
he fights, and I flip it.
They're really brave birds and really tough.
Yeah,
Not just 7 hours on a headwind
yeah. Come on, come on.
and not really tired.
Yeah, the old brother, when I grab him in this hand and he bite in this hand, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Another bird arrived. This is the number 11 or 12. 10 hens, one cock. Yeah. So 10 hens, one cock already arrived. Out of 19 birds. Headwind, hard race.
They don't look tired there, do they?
No, they don't.
Yeah, 7.5 hours.
Yeah.
They don't look tired.
They have a good endurance. They're all well prepared. That's the magic of Mr. Dave, bro. They look like they're just having a low flying.
Yeah, well, when there's some of those that
Yeah, look. From a headwind race, it doesn't look like they have a hard race.
No, and then some of them are flying around, but I think that might be to do with your red jacket.
Yeah.
That's scaring them.
Yeah. It's a third bird from the race. Maybe this is also,
third to last. So.
yeah, it's a direct
No, it's just the third one today.
third one today, yeah. It's a mealy one. A good, very good stop from Mr. Dave, bro.
You're going to have them.
Thank you, Dave. I have a fast bird now. Finally.